Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to put an assistive touch to your iPhone. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and open up your own browser basically, right? And what you gotta do next, you gotta just go ahead and open up right here the browser. If you want to put assistive touch on your iPhone or iPad, we're gonna just follow along the steps so you can know exactly what to do. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and scroll a little bit down, and here it says, how do I get assistive touch on my screen? Go to settings, accessibility, and then click on touch, and then click assistive touch. Turn on assistive touch. To customize assistive touch, tap any of the following. Customize top level menu, tap an icon to change its action. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go back to my screen. I'm gonna demonstrate how it's done. Go ahead to your settings basically, and what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna just scroll a little bit down till you find the accessibility. Click on it, and basically you're gonna just go ahead and click on touch, and basically you're gonna see right here assistive touch. And basically what you're gonna do, you gotta just toggle this one on, and basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna be able right here, let me get back to my screen, and you're gonna be able to turn on the assistive touch. To customize assistive touch, tap any of the following. Customize top level menu, and you're gonna be able right here to customize it the way you want. If you want to be 6 icon, 5 icon, whatever it might be, you're gonna be able to do that. And as you can see right here, you're gonna see it appearing in front of you. This is like an assistive quick shortcut to find the buttons that you want to reach out on your iPhone. So basically that's it. You can change it the way you want it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.